Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.
In this race, the GTI TCR takes on the new Megane Trophy 300. In terms of power and torque, I am outgunned in here. He's got a bit more kilowatts and only 20 more of newtons meters. However, I'm much lighter, 200 kgs lighter just about. That should make a big difference going up the quarter mile.
Right, much excitement. Renault Megane RS300 Trophy Manuel versus that guy in a bestickered GTI TCR, but I think I can beat him on a launch. The launch control on that thing is horrific, so I'm keen. I think I got this.
Alrighty, here we go. Sport, traction control on medium. Launch control system is active. Alrighty, the Golf is ready. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, and we're away. Lots of wheel spin, torque steer of the devil.
Short shift.
He's battling to shift that thing. This is a lot closer. That Megane's got some punch. We're about halfway now, 150 k's an hour.
Come on, come on.
I'm closing on him though. Oh my god, it's a photo finish.
He's coming closer. No!
Oh no, I think I've got him.
Ah, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Ah!
Wow, that was close. Oh, what a great race. The Golf seemed to get away a bit better.
Yeah, I've got some punch, but yo, the top end on that Golf is nuts. Also, I think I was still wheel spinning in third.
Cars.co.za is so much more than just a YouTube channel. Take our app for instance. It's been downloaded over 500,000 times in the Android store alone, which means it must be okay, right? You'll find the links to the download for iOS and Android in the description below.
Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.